Today's video lesson will be about the creation of Object 1 from Plate 5.32. First thing I need to do is determine the overall length of the object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 halves divided by 2 would give me 3.5. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 divided by 2. That would give me 2 inches. So getting back to the modeler, I'm going to select this person. I'm going to pick up my rectangle tool. I'm going to describe a rectangle that's 3.5 inches long by 2 inches wide. So you see it's pretty small. I'm going to zoom in on it. I'm going to check the height of the object. The height here is 3 halves, which is 1.5 inches. So I'm going to take push-pull, and I'm going to pull this up 1.5. Now, getting back there, there's a few more details I need to do. I need to cut this U-shaped channel out. I'm going to subtract it away. So we've got 3/4 inch flat on this side, a 1/2 inch flat on that side, and it's 3/4 of an inch in depth. So back to the modeler. I'm going to take my guideline tool, 0.75, and I'm going to go this way 1/2. I'm going to redo that guideline. Okay, rectangle tool. I'm going to describe a rectangle where the guidelines are. I'm going to pull this down 0.75 or 3/4. Okay. Now, next step, taking a look at the cutout here. I can see this cutout is 1.5 inches long by 3/4 of an inch deep. So I'm going to go ahead and take a guideline tool, measure over 1.5, draw a line in this position right here. And then I'm going to push-pull back 0.75. Okay. Last set of details we have to do is the holes. I take a look back on my drawing. The holes are a 1/2 inch back, a 1/4 inch here, a 1/4 inch to the hole center, same way over here. So my center hole center, which is what I'm going to describe, is a 1/2 by 1/2. So back to the modeler, take my tape measure tool, back a 1/2 inch, this way a 1/2 inch. Looking at the other hole, I need it to be centered on this cutout and a 1/4 inch from the back edge. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, line it up with this edge right here, and describe another guideline, a 1/2 inch back from the back to front. Now I'm going to switch over, get my circle tool, and I'm going to draw the circle in the right spot. It's here in the front for the frontmost, and the radius on that is 0.25, and the radius on the second one is 0.25. And then once I get those set, I'm just going to go ahead and erase these guidelines, and then I'm going to use push-pull to push this underneath right on the face, and I'm going to do the same to this side. Alright, just to finish up here, I'm going to need to do view back edges and view hidden geometry, and then I just need to save. Well, good luck with your modeling. Talk to you later.